Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free app to take long screenshot in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the App Store and just search for one application name as Longshot. On the second list you can see here Longshot. Just click on it. Now click on Get or Install. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on continue. Click on allow full access. Now here you will see below multi-photo stitch, and the second option is screen recording stitch. So you can do the either one of this. So I'm gonna use the second one, screen recording stitch. So for this, just swipe down the control center and just use the inbuilt screen recorder. So now the screen recorder has started, as you can see. So now let me try to scroll this page. So once you're done, just click on the red button on the laptop corner. Click on stop. Now you can minimize it. Now just open back the Longshot again. Now just click on this recorded video. Now select the screen recorded video. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see here it has converted the video into the long page screenshot. So now in order to save it, just click on this button. So it's saved in the Photos application. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free apps to take long screenshot in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.